Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's wig review because this has been the wig that I've been wanting for so long and I've finally got my hands on it. So I purchased this unit with my own coins and I got this unit from a company called WIGgit. And I've worked with this company before. If you scroll down on my YouTube to my first ever video, that's the company that I'm talking about. And the price of this wig cost £70. So I really wanted this unit in the colour jet black, but they didn't have it in stock, so I went for the colour 1B instead. So the cap construction of this wig is that it has 2 combs at the side and 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And I'm not too sure about the length of this wig because it did not say, but I would say that the length of this wig is about 20 inches. So this wig is a Swiss lace. It is also a HD lace as well. This is a 13x6 and the hairline comes pre-plucked. So I've noticed that this wig has a lot of volume and it's quite big. Some of you may not like big hair, so this wig might not be for you. But for the fans of girls who are into big hair, then you guys need to go cop this wig right now. As you guys already know by now, I love to go in, even if like the wigs are plucked, I like to go in and pluck it to my satisfaction. And that's exactly what I'm doing in this part of the video. Okay, so that's that. So the lace comes a light brown, but it still doesn't match my skin complexion. So what I'm going to do to tint the lace is go in with my Sally Hansen's airbrush legs spray and tint that, and then going with my foundation on top to make it match. So what I'm going to do next is cut off the lace with my eyebrow razor. Okay, so after I've cut the lace all off, then I'm gonna go in and lay the wig down with my GETTTT Freeze Blast spray. And one of the reasons why I love using this spray is because that it also helps to darken the lace a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my band and tie this down. So even though these coats are mad beautiful, I still went in and combed them out to see how big this hair can actually get. Alright, so after that I'm going to go in with my hot comb and hot comb at the top to make it flat. And the texture of this unit is like a yaki kind of texture, so I would say that it mimics like black afro kinky hair, but when it's like blow dried, straightened, relaxed, all that. So after I remove the bands, I'm going to go in and just do minimal baby hair. Just little swoops, nothing dramatic, because I actually want today's look to look very natural. So here I'm just checking over the baby hairs just to see if it's looking good. Then to define my parts, I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm going to go in and use that to define the parts, the middle part and the side parts. So I'm always extra as fuck, so I'm gonna go in and spray my coconut oil hair mist oil throughout the hair just to give it that natural shine. So yeah guys, that is all. I'm so in love with this unit and I'm so happy that I did not waste my coin. This wig is literally what I expected plus more. And for the pricing of this wig, which costs £70, you will not be disappointed. And I'm 110% sure if you purchase this unit, you're gonna fall in love too. I just love everything about this wig. The curls, the volume, the parting space, the hairline, the lace, everything is just A1. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. And subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.